Hello, children! Today, we will learn the months of the year together. Are you ready? The first month is January. It's the start of a brand new year. Next comes February. It's the month of love and friendship.
March is the month when spring begins, with flowers everywhere.
April brings rain showers and lots of fun under the umbrella.
May is hot and sunny. Time for ice cream and holidays. In June, many children go back to school after summer break. July is full of rains. Splish, splash, splosh.
August is the month of celebrations and Independence Day in India.
In September, schools are filled with fun learning activities.
October brings lights and joy with festivals like Diwali.
November is cool and breezy with colorful falling leaves. December is the last month, full of Christmas and joy. So, children, we learned all 12 months from January to December. Which month is your favorite? Don't miss out on the fun. Please hit that subscribe button below.